Hey there! Today I have a short story unboxing for you. If you're not familiar with short story, it's a styling service for petites. So basically it's very similar to Stitch Fix, where they have you fill out a style profile and they'll send you, I think in this case I got 7 items of clothing, so I think it kind of varies. You have like 5 days to try everything on, see if you like it, and just send back what you don't want, and they'll just charge you for what you keep. Unlike Stitch Fix though, they do not give you a discount if you buy all the items, but you know, that's okay, I think. Sometimes you end up just kind of buying everything from Stitch Fix because you just want to get the discount. But yeah, anyway. This is actually the second time I'm filming this video. I've been kind of out of it in terms of making my YouTube videos. I haven't posted a video for 2 years, and yeah, I just kind of have gotten out of the habit of it. So this is going to be a trial run and we'll see how it goes. I've already filmed it for once, and for some reason the sound wasn't working, even though I did it like a test, but yeah, so we'll see. Oh, and we have a new cat. I don't know if we lost Lily a few years ago, but now we have Lily. So yeah, she's our new cat. And she's about 2 years old. We got her last year, and she's very sweet, but she only likes my husband. All right. Anyway, but let's go ahead with the unboxing. With Short Story, they don't send you a preview like they do with some of the other styling services. I know like Stitch Fix does. But I kind of like that because I like to be surprised, and that's part of the fun, you know, having somebody go and select the items. And I kind of feel like this is more personal than, say, Stitch Fix, where I'm pretty sure they're using algorithms. I mean, there's probably a chance that they use algorithms with Short Story, but it does seem a little more personal. So my stylist in this case for this box is Kate, and she sent me 7 items. So let's see what I got. And I already opened it, sorry. All right, and the first item is a tank top. And it's just a very soft knit tank top. It's by Thread and Supply. And it's the Sinclair striped tank in a size small petite. And it's $38. So $38 for this tank top. But you know what? It's a very nice feel. I don't actually wear a lot of tank tops, to be honest. I like to have my arms covered. But we'll see. It is getting pretty hot, and this might come in handy. Okay. Put it this way. Okay, next we have another sleeveless top. This one is more of a linen. So I know linen is not always my favorite because it does wrinkle, but it is a nice breathable fabric that's cool, and you'll see this one has buttons on one side. And this one is the Averie linen side button top, and it's in the size small petite, and this is $48. So $48 for this top. Like, this box is, to be honest, not the cheapest. You do set your price range, and I'm pretty sure I did set it like 50 to 100. I can't remember where I set it. Okay, next I have this sweater. So there's a lot of sleeveless stuff, so yeah. It does have a little bit of a flutter sleeve, not really, cap sleeve maybe. And this is by Skies Are Blue, size small petite, it's navy. This is the May flutter sleeve sweater top, small petite, and this is $54. So $54 for this top. It seems like a nice lightweight sweater, and it's got ribbing. Okay, next I have a jumpsuit. I don't know if this is bra friendly, but I bet you could get by with putting a t-shirt under this. Yeah, so this is a nice knit jumpsuit. It's by Petite Principles, size small petite, and I believe this is a Short Story exclusive brand. And this is the Liliana square neck jumpsuit, and it's $78. And next we have a pair of shorts, and they're just a pair of elastic waist linen shorts, They're by the brand Vera Moda, size small petite, with a drawstring in the front. They seem a little on the short side, to be honest. We'll see. And these are the Cali drawstring linen shorts in black, and they're $42. So $42 for this. And again, they are linen. I'm not sure if they might shrink a little, which would not be good for me. Okay. All right, next we have a skirt. And this is by the Raconteur, and it's the Raleigh pleated midi skirt, small petite, $58. So $58 for this. I think this is a pretty cute skirt. It would go nicely, I think, with a white t-shirt. One thing I noticed, it does have kind of a deep slit here, so we'll see. Cute. And lastly, I have a pair of jeans. And you'll see these have kind of a cuff on the bottom, and the cuff is sewn. And this is by Liverpool, and it's the Charlie Crop wide rolled cuff for petite, $88. Yeah, I really don't need another pair of jeans, but hey, you know what? If it's a good pair of jeans that is comfortable, and these are pretty stretchy. I love stretchy jeans, and I recently donated a lot of my skinny jeans. I kept a few, but I had a crazy amount of skinny jeans. So anyway, okay, so that is everything I got in my first short story box in 2 years. Not bad, I would say. But now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so after reading the note from my stylist, I realized that actually I have several outfits here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits, including the jumpsuit as a one and done. So this is the first outfit. It's that striped tank top with the black linen shorts. And to be honest, I was like prepared to do my own styling, but since she's done it for me, I might as well just go with what she has styled. And yeah, this is interesting. I don't think I would have paired these together, but yeah, I think it looks okay. She was asking about the length. I mean, for me, they're a little short just because I'm kind of on the older side, you know. But it's cute. It's very cool, breezy, summer, very casual. I don't know. I think she had said maybe you can go to lunch. Depends. I could go shopping like this, definitely. But yeah, not bad. I like this top. I think it's pretty cute. It's a little fitted, but yeah, it's comfortable and not bad. The shorts are pretty loose and flowy, but I would say they fit okay. I'm not sure about them though. Yeah, just because I know like they might shrink and they are a little short. So anyway, so first outfit, I would say not bad. Okay, so this is the second outfit, and I have the Flutter sleeve sweater top and the pleated midi skirt. So yeah, I didn't think that these two were gonna go together initially when I first saw it, but I do think it looks nice. It's a navy top, and this skirt does have blue in it. I was thinking maybe like a white t-shirt initially, but I do think this looks nice. And yeah, so yeah, there's pleating, there's like flutter sleeve, there's like a bow here, and elastic in the back. But yeah, pretty. Kind of like this. And my stylist had suggested wearing this with espadrilles, sandals, but I don't actually own espadrilles. I did have these. These are aerosol block heels that I had purchased recently and never worn. But yeah, I think that looks nice. Okay, so outfit number 3. And yeah, I think this is really cute. So here's the linen top. with the side buttons. Fits perfect. So far, actually everything I feel like has fit really good. The jeans are also a perfect fit, you know. They're not, I like high-waisted, so these are more like a mid-rise. So, but that's okay. And I like the wash, that it's more of a lighter wash and it's more of an even fade. Sometimes you get these crazy looking distressing or whatever, and I really don't like that. And you know, initially I didn't really like this cuff, but I think it looks pretty cute. And I don't have any cuff jeans because I don't like cuffs, but on this one it looks pretty good. Something different, just another excuse to spend money. But yeah, I like it. I really actually like this outfit. And maybe I could go out in the world with no sleeves, and it would be okay. What do you think? And if anyone's wondering what this is, it's a birthmark. Okay, not bad. Okay, and here's the last outfit, and it's the jumpsuit, which she said was a wild card. And yeah, you know, I didn't think that this was gonna work for me just because, see, this is like kind of, I don't know, I didn't think it was gonna be bra friendly, but the straps are thick enough. And this is actually a perfect fit. It's very comfortable, it's stretchy, flowy. Yeah, so I think it's pretty nice. And I would not probably leave the house like this, but you could add like a cardigan. And this is a cardigan that I picked up from Uniqlo in Japan. I went to Japan recently for like 2,900 yen, which comes out to about 20 bucks. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you could just wear it with a basic black cardigan. Oh, and this has pockets. Yeah. And I'm wearing it with some black sandals, and these are the exact same that, like the beige one that I had, that I never wore. So I bought another pair in black. Yep, sure did. Anyway, yeah, so I think that looks cute with a black cardigan. Oops. You could also wear it with a denim jacket. And here it is with my very favorite dark denim cut from the cloth jacket that I've had for years and years. And I still think this is the nicest. I actually have like the medium wash, I've got the white one, but this one is my favorite. And I think it goes with more things than the others. But anyway, yeah, I really like this. I wasn't expecting that. So we'll see. Okay, so I don't know, what do you guys think? I actually was very happy with this box. I like that the stylist put together actual outfits. The price of the individual pieces, I would say, is pretty comparable to the full price from a Stitch Fix box. Of course, you know, there's no discount, so that's something to keep in mind. The fit was amazing. I thought everything just fit, which is always nice. And not sure what I'll be keeping. I mean, probably out of everything, I liked this jumpsuit, surprising, and I know this was the wild card, and I wasn't really expecting to like it, but I kind of do. And it's so comfortable. This is something you could actually, maybe for travel, especially like in the summer, because look how small it is and it doesn't wrinkle. You could probably like hand wash it if you're running out of clothes. So yeah, I think this is good. And this one was $78. $78 I think is a fair price for this. Other than that, I like this, the jeans with this top. That was surprisingly nice. I kind of like these jeans. I thought they were really cute. They were comfortable. They're pretty stretchy. And this top was really cute. I can actually see myself wearing this outfit. Not sure about, you know, this outfit. Even though I thought this was really cute, I don't see myself making a lot of use out of this because I'm not currently working in an office or actually at all right now. So I'm gonna think about this. And the shorts, I'm probably gonna pass on. Looking at like the try-on, it's a little bit short for me, to be honest. And even though I thought it was nice and comfortable. And I'm kind of debating on this tank top because $38 is a lot to spend on a tank top, but it does feel really soft and comfortable. So we'll see. Okay, and then so the total for this box is a whopping $406 for 7 items. I did have like a styling credit, $25. I think that's a styling fee that if you buy anything it gets applied to. and I had some credit left over from years ago. I think it's because of you guys signing up using my referral links. So if you are interested in trying out Short Story, I'll put my information below. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I know I have been not been uploading at all recently, but we'll see if you guys are interested in seeing more of these type of videos or some other type of videos. I typically did do shopping and unboxing videos. Might do some other types of videos, see what I'm currently interested in. But yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll see if I can come up with anything else. But let me know if you're interested. As far as life update, I'll just save this for the end because I think anyone who's still here might possibly be interested. Yeah, since my last video, we did lose our very beloved dog Sammy. If you remember her, she was a tricolor Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. So yeah, it was very sad. She had kidney disease, and yeah, so we lost Sammy last year in January. And since then we got Lily the cat. You saw her probably prowling around, thinking that Kaya, our other dog, needed a friend. Unfortunately, yeah, they don't hate each other, but I think Lily, yeah, she tries to engage with Kaya by sneaking up on her and attacking her, but that's in a playful way, and Kaya just runs away. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video, and now I just want to bring Kaya in to help me say goodbye. Okay, and here is Miss Kaya. Still going strong. She's 8 years old, and yeah, she is, we were really worried after Sammy passed away because she had never been alone or the only dog, but she's okay. It's actually good that I'm home almost all the time now. And she just basically follows me wherever I go, so she really is my BFF. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye now.